Welcome, today in front of me UleFone Note 13P, and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. So first let's open the Play Store application, and after that here in the search pool let's enter Ampere. And now we should get this application. That's why just tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. After that, just tap here to open the app. Click here yes I agree, tap to close and to OK in the left down corner, and now here we can see the information about our device battery temperature, and in my case that's 33 and 6 degrees. And also you can find here more information like the battery level, height, capacity, voltage, Android version, device model, and more other info. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.